Hi friends, welcome to Vidyascooking. In today's video recipe, I'm going to show you how to prepare mushroom Pav Bhaji. This is my own recipe. It turned out excellent. I used my own set of masalas. It was wonderful. Tasted really good. Let's look into all the ingredients and get started. I've prepped up and reserved the mushrooms. It's already washed, patted dry, chopped into quarters and reserved. I've peeled the potato and the carrots and chopped and reserved. I've de-seeded the capsicum, chopped it into large chunks and reserved. Anyways, this is going to get mashed. We also require ginger and garlic paste. The spice blend that I'm using for this is chili powder, coriander powder, Pav Bhaji masala, Rasam powder, turmeric powder, chaat masala, garam masala and whole cumin seeds. We require green peas. I'm using frozen peas, roughly chopped onion and roughly chopped tomato. Don't worry, all of this is going to get mashed. You can roughly chop all your veggies. I've heated a wok with oil. The first thing I'm going to do is fry the mushrooms. So I've dropped the mushrooms directly in oil and I'm going to fry it. If you've washed the mushrooms thoroughly and you've allowed it to drain all the excess water and it's air dried and then you've chopped it, it won't splutter in oil. So don't worry, it's not going to splatter in oil. It's just going to reduce in volume and it will be easy for us to cook. So once this reduces in volume, I'm just going to drain it and reserve it on a plate. All the recipes are also posted in YouTube Tamil. It's all translated in Tamil language and posted in YouTube Tamil. I'll post my YouTube Tamil channel link in the description box below this video. Also like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter for regular updates. All my social media handle links will also be in the description box below this video. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video along with measurements. And the recipe in detail will be posted on my blog. Blog link will be in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. I'm frying the mushrooms in 2 batches. So once the first batch has fried, once it's reduced a bit, I've drained it and reserved it on a plate. So this is the second batch that I'm frying. Now I'm going to start preparing the masala base. I've heated a pan on medium flame. To the pan I've added oil. And once the oil has heated, I'm going to start frying the onion and tomato. Fry it on medium flame. All the ingredients that I'm adding for this recipe is going to get mashed. So don't worry, you can roughly chop all your ingredients. I've added the ginger and garlic paste. I'm going to fry it till the raw flavor has reduced. Now I'll add the capsicum, potato and carrots. I'll fry this for just few seconds. Now I'm going to add all the spice powders. I'll fry all the ingredients just till the raw flavor has reduced a bit. Now I've added salt as per taste. We'll adjust the salt later as well. And I've added warm water. Don't add cold water. Always have a pot of warm water next to you while cooking, so that you don't stop the cooking process. If you add warm water, it will instantly cook. Now once the veggies have softened, I'm using a masher and I'm going to mash all the veggies. If you're finding it difficult to do the way I'm doing it, you can drain all the veggies and add it to a mixer jar and just pulse it once. There is no issue at all. I'm just going to mash all the veggies. Once I finish mashing all the veggies, I've added the peas and also water. I'm just going to allow this to cook. The peas are already parboiled, it's frozen, so it's parboiled. Now once the peas have cooked, just check the bhaji consistency. If you like the bhaji consistency, this way you can add the mushrooms and just cook it, or you can add extra warm water and boil it further. So it depends on your preference, how thick or thin you want the gravy. Now I am going to add the mushrooms and I am going to allow this to boil. So allow the mushrooms to boil for a minute's time, and that's it. Your mushroom pav bhaji is done. It's very tasty. If needed, you add salt, and you can also add extra chaat masala. Once you serve it with butter, garnish it with some coriander, and serve it with side of chopped onion and pav, which is already butter toasted. It turned out excellent. Try this recipe and post your comments. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. All the ingredients and the blog link will be posted in the description box below this video. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.